What is a prime lens in photography? A prime lens is a camera lens with a fixed focal length, like 35mm, 50mm, or 85mm. And that means you do not get to zoom. What you see is what you get. But that limitation is actually part of what makes them great. Photographers love prime lenses because they usually are much sharper. They let in more light thanks to their wider aperture, and they help create that soft, blurry background called bokeh that helps your subject pop from scenes. A 50mm prime lens, often called the Nifty 50, is a favorite for portraits. It closely mimics how the human eye sees, and it creates that dreamy background that draws attention to the subject in focus, and perfect for moments where connection really matters. Now, another reason prime lenses are often sharper than zoom lenses is they're built for just one focal length. Now, zoom lenses have to balance sharpness across an entire range, say from 24 to 70mm, which means sharpness can actually vary. But a prime lens is optimized to deliver peak performance at one single focal length. That precision can be a double-edged sword though, especially if you're using a high megapixel camera. With a very sharp lens, even a slight miss on your focal point can become painfully obvious in your final image. It's a detail that many amateur photographers don't realize till they see the photo not in their camera, but on a monitor in post-production. Now, prime lenses also come with some trade-off. So since you can't zoom, you have to move your body to reframe each shot. And that can be tricky in tight spaces or when you don't have much room in front or behind your subject. And in some cases, you may need to carry multiple prime lenses or cameras to cover different needs. So while prime lenses aren't the go-to for fast-moving environments, they are a tool of choice when you need the sharpest results, softer background blur, or better low-light performance. That's what makes a prime lens what it is and shine in photography. Now, if you're curious to learn more about photography terms like this, click the link in the video description to visit our entire glossary.